Hello everyone, welcome to Rob's Repairs. Today I got a good one for you. You guessed it. I'm going to show you how to take this door panel off a 2020 Jeep Compass. Basically all the doors are going to be the same, except the rear doors aren't going to have this little pocket right here. So basically, as you can see, I already took the pockets off. You're going to have a Phillips here with a little window. Phillips. Down here is just the Phillips. Here you got a little pocket you got to take a little pick and pull out. Here you're going to have to take a little pick and pull that out. And here you're going to have to put a wedge underneath it off the rubber and just pry it out. There is 2 tabs here and one here. And one there. It'll just snap out. So that's what you're gonna have to do. This is what it kind of looks like. So there's only 3. So yeah, the tab actually stayed in there, so I gotta take that one out and put it back in. So once you get the covers off, it's gonna be a piece of cake. You got 8 or 7 mil here. You got a 10 mil here. And you got yourself Phillips. So these are the tools you're going to want to have. This is going to be to help get the door panel off. You can use this too if you need to. Here's that pick. You're going to have to get behind those plastic pieces and just pull them out. You're going to need a thin screwdriver because these windows are small. You just got to do that and pry them. I'll show you what they look like. They look just like this. So you got to get the screwdriver in there deep, just push it in as tight as you can and give it a little pry. You'll probably end up scratching it because there's nowhere to dig in. So you just try to find a spot, get something super thin. So yeah, it's a bummer deal on these things. You're gonna end up scratching them. Even on this, I just went in here and then I plucked it out of there. So I had opened this up and plucked it out. You can't go through here, it's too tight. So I just took my pick in through there. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and take this door panel off quick. If you guys like the content, please like and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to take some of this stuff off quick. I like to use my electric. All my battery operated tools. Going the wrong way. Gotta get a little light on it. I'm sorry. It is a Torx bit. I thought it was a Phillips. So that's a Torx bit. So you got 3 Torx bits. Dang. It is a Phillips. It's a baby one. Alright, it's a Phillips. You just gotta push in. But it's a small one, so I know we got different size Phillips heads, but yeah, you're just gonna have to push in good. Look like that. Look like a Torx bit to me. So you got the 10, and then you got the 8. So the reason why I'm taking the door panel off today is because I need to get the glass out. A lot of guys take door panels off so they can do stereos. So now there's basically push-ins all the way around this thing. So you're going to have to figure out a way to get some sort of a wedge in there without scratching it. You got to use plastic. See, a lot of guys just start it here, kind of get a little feel for it. And if you don't pull on it, it ain't coming out. You're not gonna break it. So you gotta give it some, you gotta give it. Just like that. And then you got some electrical you gotta deal with. Now we'll get at that one first. So first you gotta take these bad boys off. See if we can do a one-hander. Usually you can just grab them. Just like that. This one you gotta squeeze these two together and pull it out. Right there and there. So I'm gonna do that next. Not gonna be able to do a one-hander, so I'm gonna grab, I'm pretty sure a long nose will get it done. Yep. So you wanna do that. And then, let's see what we got for electrical. Get her up so you can see it. Looks like we got two of them. They're easy. You just push down. You push down on the tabs. Now this one here, this one's a little bit tougher. But I think the long nose will do it. Yep, you just, I'll show you here in a sec. You just push the tab in. So all you do is push the tab. Just push down the tab with your thumb and pull it. Push down the tab with your thumb and pull it. So yeah, just usually, so this is where the door panel's going in. All these little guys, that one there, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one. This is where the screws are, right here and here. There's the 10, here's the 8. Pretty simple. Yeah, if you guys like the content, please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment to the channel. Totally appreciate it. It's going to help me grow. Hope you guys are having a good day. That's how you take a door panel off a 2020 Jeep Compass. Talk to you on the next video. Thank you.